In this video, I will show how to convert webp to ICO. So visit this website webtools.barkatereza.in. Then here you will see some options. So underneath data converter tools expanded. So in this website you will see a list of options and tools. Click here image manipulation tools. Now here search webp to ICO and click on it. Now here select your ICO file. Select your webp file. Now here select your webp file. Adjust the quality. Then submit. Now click on this download button. So you will get this result ICO. So thanks for watching and comment this video is useful for you.